What's up, hungry people? John Juan here with Is There Any More? And today for lunch, we did Big C's Italian Grill, located at 200 Terrell Road in Plainfield, New Jersey. Check it out. Big C's Italian Grill is serving up authentic Italian-American street food at a price point that you just can't beat, with fresh ingredients, serving everything from cheesesteaks, salads, wraps, burgers, and specialty sandwiches that he made up on his own. With a passion for cooking since 9 years old, Big C's got it going on. Big C says that he has regular customers that come in sometimes 2 and 3 times a day just to try the different flavors that he has. Big C's is no stranger to charity either. They love giving back to the community by having fundraisers for the kids. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and that you're subscribed so you never miss a banging place to eat like this. Now, Big C hooked us up with a couple savory dishes today. We got this fried chicken wrap with onion rings, lettuce, tomatoes, barbecue sauce and ranch, and a side of fries. And we also got this chicken quesadilla. Now, this chicken was marinated in Big C's special marinade and prepared with peppers and onions and cheddar cheese on a tortilla wrap. Man, I think it's time for us to go in now, right? The chicken on this quesadilla was so juicy. The peppers and the onions just meshed so well with the cheddar cheese on a crispy tortilla, man. Definitely 2 thumbs up. And this fried chicken wrap is packed with flavor. Who would have knew that barbecue sauce and ranch went so well with fried chicken? Mind blown. If you're looking to catch up with Big C's Italian Grill, they're open from Tuesday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., and on Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also catch them on Instagram and Facebook at Big C's Italian Grill. Don't forget to tell them John Juan sent you, okay? Again, this is There Any More? I got plenty more flavor that I'm about to dig in on. So until next time, peace.